Hi, my name is Carly Lindsay. I'm 19 years old and I'm currently a second-year nursing student at Queen's University. I was diagnosed with a severe case of ulcerative colitis at the age of 9, and with multiple medications not improving my condition, I opted for ileostomy surgery about 6 weeks after I was diagnosed. Living with an ileostomy was quite a change at first. It took a while to figure out what foods I could and couldn't eat, as well as learning that dehydration happens about 10 times faster without your large intestine. But overall, my quality of life had a huge improvement. I was back to doing everything that I loved, which included school, ballet, and swimming. In 2010, I faced my biggest personal challenge yet. I publicly came out of the bathroom, so to speak, and told everyone not only about my IBD, but my ostomy as well. In March of that year, I trekked with the Intestinal Disease Education and Awareness Society to the base camp of Mount Everest. The trek itself was the hardest thing that I've ever done, but reaching base camp taught me that I could achieve anything I put my mind to, and that IBD didn't stand in the way of reaching my goals. Being a university student with IBD isn't as bad as some may imagine it to be. Queen's has been really good at accommodating my needs, such as bathroom breaks during exams, as well as extra time on exams if something such as a leaky ostomy bag were to happen. Winning the IBD scholarship was one of the most exciting things that happened this summer. It relieved many of the stresses associated with money and schooling costs. And thanks to the scholarship, I don't need to get a part-time job this year, so I can focus all my efforts onto my studies while continuing to raise awareness to IBD. Winning the scholarship has also shown me that anything is possible and that the sky is really the limit. If I can survive the illness, overcome challenges, and live life to the fullest, I know that others can too. The key is to never stop believing in yourself.